welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Boxy Charm for this month. I am super excited to see what I got in it. I can get it open. Got it open! Alrighty. So, this is the little card in here called Alter Ego. Okay, so first things first. I got a green clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. Super green. It smells like nothing. Made exclusively for Boxy Charm, I guess. So that's that. And then the next thing I got in this thing is lace appeal black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. So that's that. It feels like there's something in here and then there's a tube of something. It is resealable, so I'm just gonna open it, I guess. So there's... Oh, it's like lace. Okay, so you have a lace mask. And then you have the black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. I was like feeling, I'm like, what is that squishy thing in there? Makes sense, it's a lace mask. Okay, next in this box, I have from It Cosmetics the Superhero Mascara. And it looks like this. And the brush looks like that. And I will definitely be doing a video trying this on. So far, that's the only makeup I got. Okay, guys, so that is the mascara. I'll definitely be trying it on. And then I got a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Mother. And it looks like it's pink. Let's see how pink. So that's what this looks like. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. I don't mind this pink. It's not too crazy. Like some of the colors I've gotten, I'm like, whoa, those are intense. Okay, and then last is this palette. It's the Midnight Masquerade palette. Gotta get this little sticker off of it. Okay. And it looks just like this. And it opens like a book. So it's eyeshadow and blush. So these are the blush. And this is the eyeshadow. It looks really pretty. The colors are really cute. I'm super excited about this green color and this purple color. And the blush looks really intensely colored as well. So that's good too. So that is everything that I got in this Boxy Charm. And let's see what it all retails at. Okay, so this mascara is $24. This is $30. This is $38. This is $20. And this is $22. And let's see how much that makes this Boxy Charm worth.
24 plus 30 plus 38 plus 20 plus 22. So
$134. So that is everything I got in this box. It's all really nice makeup, really good quality. I'm super excited to do a video trying it all on for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.